Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to show you how to add random friends in Monopoly Go. So we are now in the game, right? So all you need to do is tap on friends in the lower right corner. And then here you're going to see add friends timeline leaderboard. So what you want to do is, it's very simple. You just add any of these, because these are random people. These are suggested friends. So as you can see, Regal Wombat 64 is a suggested friend. You can just add that. Perfect Eel 79, add him. Cool Terrier 18, add them. So again, Monopoly Go is more fun with friends. So that's how you pretty much add friends. Because again, these are random people. These are other players that you do not know. These aren't your friends. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.